Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. If you are returning, then welcome back. Today I did a blowout on my hair, and I did this using the dry bar blow dryer brush. If you guys are all interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you can tell, I had already used the brush, but my camera deleted that footage. That's why you see that two of my bottom strands were already straight. Okay, so I am using the Bumble & Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil, which it's a heat UV protective primer. So I applied this before I use the brush. Okay, so I was pretty impressed here, as you can see by the look on my face. I was just shocked that this actually works. Okay, let me show you guys how it's looking. It has a lot of volume, and I'm honestly loving this. So because I have really long hair, I have to go over it a few times, and my hair is super curly and frizzy, so that's another of the reasons why I have to go over my hair a few times with this brush. But overall, I'm loving the volume it's leaving, and it's leaving it pretty straight. So When I was doing this part, it was a little bit hard because I didn't know what direction to go. I don't know if I should go towards the back or towards the front. But then I ended up splitting the hair in half because I felt like it was a lot of hair that I got. So I actually really enjoyed doing this last strand of hair. I felt super soft and I knew that it was gonna have a lot of volume. So yeah, I really enjoyed doing this last strand of hair, and then you'll see the results right now. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest with you. Like I said, this is gonna be such an honest review. My hair is super long, so my hair literally is up to my like waist. So this was pretty hard and tiring for my long hair. I love it though. Like, I love how much volume it left my hair with. So do you see like all this volume? I bought it at Sephora. I bought it for $150, so it was a little bit pricey. I'm not a big fan of the yellow color, but overall the product is really good. I love that it's rotatable, so you can rotate. It's not gonna get, the cord's not gonna get tangled when you're doing it, as you guys saw. The thing that sucked for me is that I obviously have, you guys saw, really frizzy hair, curly hair, and I have really long hair. So for me, it's a little bit hard to achieve like a nice blowout without using the straightener. So let me let me give you an example. So this part right here, it's very curly, so my hair is really frizzy. So it didn't completely leave it like smooth. It didn't leave it smooth because, again, my hair is very curly and it's long, and I'm gonna have to go over it a little bit with the straightener. Nothing too much because I don't want to lose the volume. My hair, it feels super thick right now, volumey, which is something I love and that you cannot get with the straightener. The straightener will leave it super flat, and with this blow dryer brush, it gives it volume. So that's something that I love. I was using this, at first I was just kind of rotating and rotating, and you saw in the video, but towards like the end and towards like this side, I noticed that it has bigger holes here. See how like these on this side, it's a little bit smaller, the little slits, the little slits where the air is blowing out of. These are thicker, so I figured it out after, when I was like halfway done. So when you're doing it, when you grab your hair, you want to make sure that your hair is on the thick side, the thick slicks, because that's where most of the air is going to be blowing out of. So if you do it on the other ones, you're going to have to go over again and again because the slits are a little bit thinner. One thing that I like is, let me show you. So it has different levels. So it has the off, it has the snowflake, which means that it's gonna blow out cooler air, but I didn't really feel super cool air. So let me just try it without it. So it's still warm. It's not super hot, but it's not cool air. So I don't know if I was using it wrong, if I'm doing it wrong. And then it has the first, so that's the cool. Then it has the lower power and then the high power. So let me show you guys. So it is pretty loud. When I got to like this part, of my hair. It was super loud and it was like blowing so loud on my ears. So just be prepared for that if you do decide to buy this hair blow dryer brush. Since it did say that you can use it with dry hair, but not for my type of hair long, so it did not work. So for that type of hair, make sure it's wet. I think if you do have very straight hair, then it should work on dry hair, just because you're gonna smooth it out, as opposed to someone like me that has frizzy hair. Obviously it just didn't work. Besides this, I was really happy with this. It did take a long time because my hair is super long, but the end results, I love it. Like, I love all this volume that it gives me, so that's something I really love. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you guys have used this product before, or if you're thinking about buying it, comment down below. I want to know how it works on different hair types, for example on straight hair or on even curlier hair. I want to see if I was doing something wrong or if it works 100%. But overall, I was happy with my purchase. So thank you all so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure to comment down below again if you've used this product or if you're thinking about buying it. Comment down below, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to turn that bell notification on, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye!